Okay, so you watch my previous video talking about the successful rate of the appeal video for inauthentic content. It is 0%. So it seems that it is impossible for us who create AI story channel to get monetized again after being hit by inauthentic content. So do you know the reason, right? Do you know the real reason why it is almost impossible for us to get monetized again? So in my opinion, after doing some research and also double check my channel and my client channel and also many other channel here, so I finally come up with the idea that it is almost impossible for us to appeal for inauthentic content. Because you know why? Because it is the nature of our channel, of the story channel. Because you know, when we use AI to generate script, it is almost impossible to generate different script with different genre and different style of story. So if you do different type of story, then your audience will not watch your video. So you have to be consistent. Be consistent about the topic, about the story, the genre of the story that you want to tell to your audience. So that is the main reason why we got hit by inauthentic content. Because you have to remember, what is inauthentic content? So YouTube explained in their change, I remember last July 2027. So they changed the name of repetitive content to inauthentic content, or the content that is mass produced. So mass produced plus repetitive content, meaning inauthentic content. So that is the main reason why many story channel, many AI story channel get inauthentic content policy, demonetization. That is the nature of our channel. Because when a channel growing with just AI story, there is no way that they can tell different story the whole time. Even with a content channel like this, we cannot have different idea all the time. But so sometimes the idea is just the same. So we make the same video, but maybe it is just a small amount of video we make. So it is not inauthentic content. But for a story channel, we produce 200 or 300 similar videos, similar titles, similar thumbnail, and similar genre. The story is almost the same, 3 parts, 5 parts, stuff like that. So that is the main reason why we cannot be successful with the inauthentic content appeal video. So if you are trying to grow a YouTube channel using AI and grow an AI story channel, you have to think about it. Think about repetitive content, because that is important. At first, if your channel get 10 video or 20 video, it is okay. When it meet the requirement, monetization requirement, you can apply for monetization. And I see many channel here, YouTube approve it very fast. The only policy violation is that it is reused content, and we can make the appeal video easily and get it monetized easily. But after 2 months or 3 months, then the channel will have many similar video, and at that time it will get inauthentic content. So remember, do not repeat the title, repeat the thumbnail, and repeat the same story all the time. That would be inauthentic content, and it is not possible to appeal for it. Okay, so that's my thought. So how about you? Do you have any other idea? Let me know at the comment section. And if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you want me to explain more about this topic, I'm willing to do so. Okay? I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.